Hey everyone, getting the settings has stopped error on Android? It's annoying and blocks access to key features like Wi-Fi and sound. In this video, I'll show you 10 quick fixes and one ultimate solution to get your phone back to normal. Part 1. How to fix Android unfortunately has stopped. Fix 1. Clear the cache. Open Settings, Apps and Notifications. See all apps. Tap the three dots top right and select Show System. Find and open Settings, then go to Storage. Tap Clear Cache and clear storage. Fix 2. Clear RAM. Open recent apps, close unused apps, tap Clear to free RAM. Fix 3. Force stop settings. Go to Settings, Apps, Show System, select Settings, tap Force Stop. Fix 4. RAY Flash Stock ROM. Backup, download ROM and tool, enable USB debugging. Boot into Fastboot Flash ROM reboot. Fix 5. Safe mode. Hold power, long press power off, tap OK. Uninstall suspicious apps, restart to exit safe mode. Fix 6. Wipe cache partition. Power off, enter recovery mode, power plus volume up plus home. Navigate to wipe cache partition, press power to confirm, select reboot system now. Fix 7. Factory reset. Go to Settings, Backup and reset factory data reset. Tap Reset phone, erase everything. Fix 8. Update Android OS. Go to Settings, System Software Update. Tap Check for updates, download and install. Fix 9. Reinstall Google Update. Go to Settings, Apps, Google Play Store. Tap Clear Cache, uninstall updates. Restart your device. Fix 10. Restart your phone. Part 2. Fix unfortunately settings has stopped on Android expertly. Android Repair is a reliable tool to fix Android issues like the unfortunately settings has stopped error. It resolves system problems, including app crashes and performance issues, without difficulty. Step 1. Install and launch the software. Connect your device via USB. Step 2. Select Android Repair and click Start. Enter device info and click Next. Step 3. Input 00000 in the specified field and click Confirm. Please note that using this program may lead to data loss on your smartphone. Step 4. For devices with the home button, turn off the device, then press and hold the Sprint, Home, Power, and Volume down buttons simultaneously for about 10 seconds. Release all buttons, then press Volume up to enter download mode. For devices without a home button, power off the device, then press and hold the Power, Bixby, and Volume down buttons for approximately 10 seconds. Release the buttons and then press Volume up. Step 5. After entering download mode, click Next to download the firmware. The software will then begin the repair process. For the settings keep stopping on Android error,